Did you know that most entrepreneurs are losing money before the month even starts? And they don't even realize it. You see, they're asking the wrong question. They ask, how much money can I make this month? When the real question is, how much profit do I need this month? Let me show you the psychological trap that keeps business owners broke and how to flip that so your business actually pays you every single month. There was a study in behavioral psychology that says humans are more motivated to avoid than to chase gain. That's why most entrepreneurs spin their wheels. They focus on chasing revenue, but they don't set a concrete profit. They don't have a target. So at the end of each month, they look up and realize bills are paid, the staff got theirs, and they're left with scraps. That's loss. That's going to lead to burnout. But what if you budgeted backwards? I'm about to give you a formula so simple that once you hear it, you're never going to look at your business the same way again. But first, let me paint this picture. Imagine you're planning your month like a pilot plans to fly. Would a pilot ever take off without knowing exactly where they're going to land? Of course not. Yet, that's what entrepreneurs do when they don't know their profit target. So here's the backwards budget. This is what I want you to do. Get your pen and paper out, and I need you to write this down. At the start of each month, write down 4 numbers. Number 1, how much do you want to pay yourself? Number 2, what's your overhead? The bills that keep the lights on. How much are you paying your team? Number 3. And finally, number 4, what is the number that would make you smile? The surplus that makes this month feel like progress. And those numbers together, that's not a wish. That's your target. That's your runway to profit. Now, take those numbers, total them up. Now, divide that total by the price of your product or service. Congratulations. You just reverse engineered exactly how many sales you need this month. No guessing, no chasing, just clarity. Here's the crazy part. Once your brain has a concrete number, it actually works differently. This is called the reticular activating system. It filters what you notice. If your target is fuzzy, your actions are fuzzy. But if your target is clear, I need 18 sales this month. Suddenly, every conversation, every lead, every DM feels sharper, more focused. That's why most entrepreneurs miss this. They never gave their brain a bullseye. So let me ask you, are you going to start the next month hoping for sales? Or are you going to start with a profit target? So clear, you can see it every time you wake up. Drop a comment. What's your smile number? That one number that makes you say, if I hit this, I'm winning. And if this shifted your perspective, share it with another entrepreneur, because the day you start budgeting backwards is the day your business starts moving forward.